In trading, it's not the loudest who win. Winners are those who know how to wait, who read the market like an open book without guessing.
They say that I'm on the road, maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking toll, find me out here on my own.
I am the fear. In 5 years in the market, I've built a system that over 50,000 people use every day. If you want to see how I trade live, analyze setups and share real strategies, join my open Telegram channel. We're already near 50,000 traders inside. There you'll get free sign-up, key market news and everything you learn through years of experience. The link is in the description. Let's get started. Looking at EUR/CAD, price returned to the familiar level of 1.60463, the same one it bounced from before. The last candle is a weak bullish tail, a doji type, a clear sign of buyer hesitation. Zigzag prints a completed bullish wave with a marked peak. Historically, every such peak ended in a pullback, and the same scenario is forming again. MACD weakens, histogram fading, red line flattering. RSI turns down from near 70, practically overbought. Perfect time for a correction. I sell with $95, expecting a short-term drop on the next candle. Want to make money trading but don't want to spend months studying charts and indicators? Here's a simple way to start right now. I built a VIP channel with live sessions where I share my exact entry points in real time. Just copy the trades and profit with me. Message me on Telegram to join and get 240 signals per month. Link in the description. The candle moved in my favor almost instantly. Price bounced off the level and dropped firmly. Trade closed smoothly in profit. Balance up to $180. Net gain $85. Clean technical entry confirmed by all three indicators. On USD/JPY, a clear downtrend. Big red candles with few wicks show seller in control. Zigzag shows a small correction just ended. Price resuming its fall. MACD deep in negative territory. Lines spreading downward. Histogram growing. Bearish momentum strong. RSI still falling. Not yet oversold. More room to drop. Everything points to continuation. I sell with $180, following the trend and aiming to catch the next wave down in 60 seconds. Want to earn passively? Connect to copy trading. Every time I trade, your account mirrors it. Same entry, same exit, same results. No years of experience needed. Just connect and start. Many already made $500 to $1,000 in their first week. Not by luck, but by discipline and structure. Message me on Telegram. Link in the description. Price kept falling. The new candle confirmed seller's strength. Clean downward move. No pullbacks. Trade closed in profit at expiry. Balance $344. Profit $164. A textbook continuation entry with solid momentum. On EUR/JPY, interesting setup. Price fails to break support at 171.406 and leave a floor candle with a long lower wick. Classic sign of a buy pressure. Zigzag shows a completed bearish wave. MACD still negative but slowing down. Histogram shrinking. RSI near oversold and flattering. Typical pre-reversal signal. Both visually and technically. It's a strong entry. I buy with $344, expecting a rebound of support. Want to trade without violating your principles? These reversals are even easier to catch with the ZFX robot. It analyzes trends and suggests the best entries automatically. Want to see it in action? Type I want ZFX. It runs 24/7 and delivers around 200 signals with 86% accuracy. If you want to trade automatically, message me on Telegram and I'll connect you. Link in the description. Back to the trade. exactly as expected. A strong green candle formed right after entry. Price rebounded and started climbing. Trade closed perfectly in profit. Balance $662. Gain $370. A textbook rebound from support executed flawless. On AUD/CHF, price hit the familiar high at 0.52163, the same level that triggered a strong drop before. Now candles compress. Last one is red. Zigzag shows a completed bullish wave. MACD still pointing up, but histogram weakening. Momentum fading. RSI near overbought, starting to turn down. With this clear resistance and fading momentum, it's an ideal entry. I sell with $622, expecting rejection from resistance in the next minute. Optimus is my new trading bot that scans the market and delivers signals with up to 94% accuracy. No emotions, no delays, just clean entry. Work with Forex, crypto, and stock. 24/7 signal. Trade anytime. Turbo mode. Signals in 5 seconds. Asset ranking shows where the money is right now. Want to try it? Message me. I'll set it up today. Link in the description. The signal triggered immediately. Candle dropped right after entry. Strong red move straight from resistance. Trade closed in profit. Balance $1,271. Gain $649. Powerful technical entry right at the top. On AUD/CAD, price just completed a strong rally. Last candles shrinking. Upper wicks forming. Classic exhaustion sign. Zigzag marks the top. MACD weakens. Shrinking histogram. Lines close to crossing down. RSI in overbought. A typical bearish correction setup. I sell with $1,271 near the peak, looking for a drop on the next candle. Want to trade calmly without guessing? Private trading, ready-made signals, and personal support. Follow me, copy trades, make money. That's simple. Message me on Telegram. I'll help you get connected. Link in the description. Timing was almost perfect. Price dropped right away. Strong red candle closed clean. Trade in profit. Balance at $2,440. Net gain $1,169. One of the best trades of the day. All 5 trades went nearly perfect. Started with a clean pullback in EUR/CAD, then a continuation entry on USD/JPY. Both solid and safe. EUR/JPY bounce flawlessly off support, while AUD/CHF and AUD/CAD deliver the strongest moves. Textbook reversal from resistance with perfect technical confirmation. Final balance $2,440, more than 25 the initial entry. Each trade was strategic, low risk and precise, discipline and timing. That's the key, especially in the short-term setup. This session proves what's possible when you trade with structure. If this approach makes sense to you, join my open Telegram channel. We are already nearly 50,000 traders inside. Daily signals, real strategies, full support. Link in the description. Subscribe now and see you in the next video.